All right, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Professional Mukbang. This is the show where you kind of sit there and watch as I eat something spicy. And what we got today is the brand new Samyang Buldak Habanero Lime. Habanero Lime? Habanero Lime. This was sent by MH. He's a moderator in the Ramen Junkies group. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. And yeah, this one's different. You boil the noodle in 350 mils of water for 5.5 minutes, and then you add in the seasoning and stir it up, and that's that. And here's what we got. So today I'm joined by
Miles
and
Mimi,
and they're gonna give me a ready, set, go when it's time. So let me get my fork loaded with some of this new thick, chewy bulldog. It looks like it's gonna be, at least.
everyone I can whistle.
Yeah, she can whistle. Whistle real quick. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Mimi's new skill. All right, can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
All right.
I've practiced
Woo.
every day until I get to this. Oh, Papa, I practiced it every day
I know.
until I whistle.
All right, guys, better run. This is pretty hot stuff. Wow. Okay, now this one, of the range that I've had, this one's pretty darn spicy. The noodle's great. I'm gonna give it that right off the bat. The flavor, it's interesting. It's definitely got the habanero lip burn thing going on. I haven't done a whole heck of a lot of mukbangs lately, and honestly, this is the spiciest thing I've had in a while. But it's not doing that thing. You know that thing when I'm like, no! Like that? I'm not getting that out of it. It's pretty hot though. And I'm not getting so much of a lime kind of flavor to it. A little. A hint. A hint. So after having all the noodle, I can definitely tell you that it's really hot. I'll take care of this business and then do the sauce. Oh no, egg yolk cross contamination. I'll try to do something about that. Alright. I'm definitely got a good amount of heat going on around the lips. I'm starting to get that going on too. But I haven't hit up the Southie broth, so. Done. All right. Well, how did I do? Yeah? Well, I'd like to announce Miles just had a birthday. How old are you?
7.
Yeah, don't look at that. Look at that. Because that's what can see you. That can't see.
I'm that you.
Yeah.
28.
Next year.
What's next year?
When you turn 8.
What?
Yeah, you're 7.
And then after 7 is 8.
Yeah.
And after 8 is 9.
Yeah.
And after 9 it's 10.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I recommend this one. It's soupy. It's strong. It's got some heat. I'm not getting so much of the lime, but my lips are still burning. My nose is kind of running. I'm a little sweaty, but it's kind of hot in here anyways. I don't know. Definitely not the hottest. Not as hot as the original Bulldog. But pretty dang hot. All right. Well, this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.